Okay, so given the question 0.5241 squared times 83.59 um, divided by the cube root of 0.3563. So let's see how it goes. Right? We have to use the logarithms table, then we might use calculator to confirm our answer, okay?
Yes, sir.
So we have number and log. The first number is 0.5241. If we take this to standard form, it's going to give us 5.241 times 10 raised by minus 1. That minus 1 becomes our integer. Then we'll go into our logarithms table here. We check log 52 on the 4 difference 1. So this is logarithms table. 52 is up here under 0, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 7193. Difference 1 is 1, that's 7194. Okay. 7194. 94. Then we have to, because it says square, we have to multiply by 2. So to square this, let me use another color to indicate the step. So to square this means to multiply by 2. So multiplication starts from the back. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 9 is 18. Keep 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus the 1 here, that's 3. And 2 times 7 is 14. Then you keep 1 here. 2 times bar 1, that is bar 2, plus 1, that is bar 1. We're through with the first digit above. Now, we want to multiply it by the number beside it, which is 83.59, meaning that we are going to subtract when we get the logarithm value. So if you change this to standard form, that will be 8.359 times 10 raised power 1. So 1 is our character integer. We check logarithm 83 on the 5, difference 9. 83 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under 5, 92, 17. Difference 1 is 1. So that's 92, 18. 92. Wait, not difference 1, but difference 9, okay?
Yes, sir.
83 under 5, difference 9. So under 5 is 92, 17. Difference 9 is the last digit there, which is 5. So 17 plus 5 is 23. So 92, 23. 92, 23. Now we want to add them together because of the multiplication we had. That's going to give us 8 plus 3 is 11, you keep 1. Then 9 plus 2 is also 11, you keep 1 on top of this. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 4 plus 9 is 13, you keep 1. Then the 1 plus the bar 1, that is cancelled. Then you have 1 point. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. So the next thing is to deal with the denominator. Denominator is 0.3563. If you change it to standard form, that is 3.563 raised by minus 1. So minus 1 is the integer here. I think that makes some sense. So logarithm 35 under 6, difference 3. 35 is above under 6. So this 35 under 6 is 5514. Then difference 3 is 4. That will be 5518. So that will be 5518. But because we are finding cube root, we're going to divide this by 3. So to find the cube root of this digit means divide by 3. So by 1, we cannot divide by 3. We can only divide by 3. So by 3 plus 2 will give us by 1. That is minus 3 plus 2 gives us negative 1. So we replace by 1 with by 3, then plus the 2 Okay, this is where the error lies in the first attempt. Okay, this is
Yes,
2,
sir.
not 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
do you remember we put 1 there, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. It's supposed to be 2. So probably it's supposed to give us anything closer to calculator value. Now, bar 3 divided by 3 is bar 1. Then this is 25. How many 3 in 25? That's what? 8, which is 24, I mean that 1. 3 in 15, that's what? 5. Then 3 in 1 cannot go. 3 in 18, that is 6. No remainder. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Then we will now take this out as the result from the denominator, which is bar 1.8506. And the one that is at the numerator, let's keep it somewhere. The one that's at the numerator, we're going to bring it out to this one, 1.3611. So because it's division between numerator and denominator, we are going to subtract this. 1 minus 6 is impossible. So you borrow the next neighbor's 1. This becomes 0. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 8 is impossible. So you borrow this 1, it becomes 0. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then 0 minus minus 1, that gives us 1 because minus times minus is plus. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this final answer will take it through antelope. Okay?
Yes,
Then
sir.
we're going to get 0 point something on antelope. So antelope 51 under 0 difference 5. 51 under 0 difference 5. Let's check antelope 51 is here. So 51 under 0 is 3236, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then difference 5 is 4. So 3236 plus 4. 3236 plus 4. That's 3240, right?
Yes, sir.
So that would be 0.3240. So if we add 1 to the character that is at the base, it will become 2. Then you move your point 2 steps. 1, 2. That will be 32.40 as the answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, though we've tried before, this is what the calculator gave us, but let's just for reference sake, 0.5241 all squared gave us this, then times that is 0.5241 all squared, then times 83.59. So this gives 22.96. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then the other one at the bottom, 0.535, 0.3563. We'll find the cube root of that one. Give us 0.7039. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that 2.96 divided by 0.7089. Okay. Oh, that's it's not 32.96. Maybe let me check that one at the top again. But the one at the bottom, let me write it somewhere. Yeah, which is 0.7089. And the one at the top, 0.5241 squared, then times 83.59. So okay, 22.96, not 32.96. Now divided by 0. What? 7089. That is 32.389, which is approximately 32.40. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So, um, with that, I will allow you to write these details down before we move on, okay?
Yes, sir.